The absolute easiest way to transform your space is with lighting. I've been on a lighting kick lately, and you don't need an electrician anymore to transform your rooms. These are vanity lights that I got for $10 on Amazon. They plug in with a USB, but you can also get some without a USB that are rechargeable, which could be nice if you don't have an outlet nearby. I do happen to have an outlet nearby where I plan to put these. These, you can adjust the length, and you can also get more or fewer lights. This is 10 bulbs. You can adjust the length between the bulbs by twisting the base. And I'm going to, first of all, check that they work before I stick them up with the stickers that come included, because the stickers are somewhat strong, I've read. And also plan out carefully how I'm going to put them up so that they look nice and even. I'm so excited. So you take these stickers and you stick them on here. This is absolute genius. This is a genius invention. That is all there is to it. It has several levels of brightness, and also you have 3 colors to choose from: daylight, warm light, and blue light. Bluish, cold light. Love it. What a great invention on every level. The stickers, they are quite strong, and also the ability to pull the wires into the bulb base. So smart. Really cool. I hope it lasts.